Hello and welcome to the OpalShop. Here we've got a parcel of 3 Boulder Opals. I'm gonna show them off one by one. So here's Opal number 2 and number 1, pardon me. It's a smaller piece. The white light is just a reflection. It's not part of the opal, but as you can see when I turn it to a different angle, it highlights the actual colour of the opal. So we've got nice fiery beads here and here, the green. Ramifications on the sides. It's quite a nice piece. It's well done. And the smallest still got coming through. Here's a bit of the ramification on the side. So it goes through most of the stone. And here's the facing side. So again, opal number 2. It's got a bit more of a shiny colour to it. Standing out from the others. It's got a lovely shade of green right here in the middle as the light. Enhances it. So if I turn to the side, you can see a very continuous one. A little bit of that carries on. The back, quite nice. The sides. And that's back to facing up. And this last piece is just a bigger piece. Third boulder, open the opal. It's nicely cut though, but the opal is right here. A bit of opal is right here. Sorry, light reflection. You can see it better this way. Yes. That's where most of the opal is, so it can be recut and reshaped just around to be able to create pendants and other jewelry if you'd like. All 3 has been reshaped and recut, and it can be reworked and refinished to repurpose it to anything you'd like. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day.